Okay, today I'm going to do a video on how to replace the battery on this Toyota key fob. I'll push the button, nothing happens, but you can still operate your truck by the key right here. It only has one key, but let's go ahead and change out the batteries. Okay, all right. I have a 2018 Toyota Tundra. So I'm going to show you guys how to change out the battery in this using a dime. Okay, very simple. I picked up the 2016 lithium energizer battery. Okay, do here on the top of your key, you got a little groove right there. See this? Okay, so you take a dime, put it in this groove right here, and just turn it like that. Opens up, see, like that, and make sure that where your buttons are facing down. I'll show you why. Okay, when you open it up here, you take out this little gadget here, and if you read back here, it'll say right here, if you look right here, it'll tell you what battery to use. Right here, if you can see, it says CR 2016. So what we got here is the 2016. You can buy these on Amazon. They're not a couple dollars. I bought this one at Walgreens. It cost me like $9. So it says right here to use a coin, a dime. So right on top of here, you can see it's got an arrow right there where the coin goes in. So right in here again, stick it in there like that and twist and open it just like that. See this? Right there. Okay, now here's your battery. Notice that the plus sign is up. Okay, right here you get your coin again, stick it in here, and it just pop it up. See that? You stick it in here and just pop it up. Okay, just like that. Okay, so you get your new one in here. That again, 2016. Get it here, guys. When you get it out, make sure the plus sign is up. There's your Energizer 2016 battery. Now, just slide it in like so. Sure goes underneath there, just like that. See that? We're good. Okay, now snap this back together. There you go. Okay, now we're gonna put it back together the way you took it off, just like that, and then you snap it back. Now I'm gonna show you something that happened. The reason why I told you to make sure that this side is down is because this can happen. It happened to me. That's why you go like this, these little things fall out. These are the buttons. Okay, so if they fall out, don't worry about it. Just put them back. But you can see that they're different sizes. That one is that size. That's the lock button. Then your unlock button. And then your alarm. Okay? If that happens, probably will. Just put them back. Just make sure this part is up. Put them in there like so. It's no big deal if it happens. It happened to me, so. It can only go one way, so do not worry about it. Okay, there it is there. See that? That's how it is. Okay. Once you get that, this only goes in one way too. These buttons here. These right here goes for that size, so put it in like so. Just snap it back. Just like that. There it is there. You do it with a dime. Let's go ahead and test it. Let's unlock it. Unlock it. There it is there. This is for 2018 Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.